Hello everybody and welcome to Freestyle. Today is just a really short video where we're going to be taking a look at how you can elevate your flower drawing skills. This way of drawing flowers is just so easy, but it looks so much better than your average flower. So without further delay, let's get started. So to make this flower, take your marker or any other writing utensil and make a little squiggly shaped oval on your page. This oval is going to be the center of our flower. Then for the petals, instead of making them completely round, make little M-shaped squiggles around that center. And I would recommend starting off with about 3 or 4, but then you can add as many as you'd like to make the flower as big as you want. When adding these petals, be sure to make some of them a bit thinner and others a bit more varied because we really want this flower to look natural, and naturally flowers aren't perfect, so use that to your advantage. Once you're happy with how it looks, add a curved stem coming out from the bottom and a leaf or 2 if you'd like. But with that, we are done. You have just learned how to draw amazing looking flowers. You can use these flowers to wish someone happy birthday, let them know you care, or express a bit of your gratitude. I really hope that you guys found today's video helpful and that you'll try this new technique to draw flowers, and I also hope that you'll never go back to drawing flowers that old way ever again. If you found this video helpful, be sure to let me know in the comments, and with that, have a great day and don't forget to keep smiling. Thank you!